The TERRO T300B liquid ant killer is a popular and effective solution for dealing with ant infestations. This product comes in a pack of 2 bait stations, each containing 6 liquid ant baits. The active ingredient in the bait is borax, which is a natural mineral that is safe for indoor and outdoor use. Buy from Amazon, link in description. The bait stations are designed to attract ants and lure them into the liquid bait, which they then carry back to their colony. The slow-acting formula of the bait allows the ants to feed on it and bring it back to the colony, where it can spread and eliminate the entire colony. This approach is effective because it targets the source of the ant infestation rather than just killing individual ants. One of the advantages of this product is its ease of use. The bait stations are pre-filled and ready to use, and they can be placed discreetly around the home or yard. The stations have a durable, weather-resistant design that can withstand rain and other outdoor elements. Customers who have used this product report that it is very effective at eliminating ant infestations. Many customers report seeing a significant reduction in ant activity within a few days of placing the bait stations. Customers also appreciate the fact that this product is safe to use around children and pets. However, some customers mention that the bait stations can sometimes dry out quickly, which can reduce their effectiveness. Additionally, some customers report that the ants are initially attracted to the bait but then lose interest after a few days. Overall, the TERRO T300B liquid ant killer is a highly effective and easy-to-use solution for dealing with ant infestations. Its natural and safe formula, along with its durable design, make it a popular choice among homeowners.